Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And this video is on the best mini PCs. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, MeLE Quieter 4C N150 Fanless Mini PC. Think powerful PCs must be bulky and noisy? I'm a tech consultant with 10 years in business IT. Many believe compact PCs can't handle demanding tasks. But that's outdated thinking. Technology has evolved fast. Meet the MeLE Quieter 4C N150 Fanless Mini PC. It runs on an advanced N150 processor, up to 3.6 GHz. You get 35% more performance than older models, silently. No fans means zero noise, perfect for focused workspaces. Despite its size, it supports 4K triple display output. Run multiple monitors for presentations, trading, or design. Expandable storage up to 4 TB. No worries about space. Rich connectivity, dual HDMI, USB-C, Wi-Fi 5, Ethernet. Clients in finance and retail love its reliability and silence. Mount it behind your monitor for a tidy modern desk. Upgrade your workspace. Choose silent power and efficiency. Discover MeLE Quieter 4C. Click to learn more today. Number 4, HP Pro 400 G9 Mini PC Desktop Computer. Need powerful performance in a tiny package? Picture your desk, clutter-free, ultra-compact, yet lightning fast. HP Pro 400 G9 Mini PC weighs under 3 pounds, fits anywhere. Intel CPU and DDR5 RAM deliver smooth multitasking, instant response. Triple 4K display support boosts productivity for business and creative tasks. Advanced USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 keep you seamlessly connected. Windows 11 Pro, pre-installed for organized, efficient workflow. Upgrade your workspace. Choose HP reliability and innovation today. Number 3, Apple 2024 Mac Mini Desktop. Ever feel cramped with bulky desktops cluttering your workspace? I used to struggle with slow, oversized computers, never enough speed or space. But then I found the new Apple Mac Mini with the M4 chip. It's just 5 by 5 inches, tiny but incredibly powerful. The M4 chip makes everything super fast and fluid, no lag. Front and back ports mean connecting devices is always easy. Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB-C, headphone jack, all right at your fingertips. Seamless integration with my iPhone and iPad boosts my productivity. Copy on iPhone, paste on Mac, answer FaceTime calls directly. Apple Intelligence helps me write, create, and organize effortlessly. All my favorite apps like Adobe and Microsoft 365 run lightning fast. The compact design fits perfectly anywhere. My desk feels spacious again. Plus, it's carbon neutral, good for the planet and my conscience. If you want power and convenience in a tiny package, try Mac Mini. Ready to size down and power up? Check out the Mac Mini today. Number 2, KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC Computer. Ever feel your bulky desktop slows you down? Juggling tabs, lagging videos, endless cables everywhere. Meet KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC, small but seriously mighty. Fits in your palm yet packs Intel N97 power. Switch apps smoothly with 16GB RAM and 256GB SSD. No more freezing or jumping, just pure speed. Dual 4K monitor support for double productivity. VESA mount keeps your workspace neat and organized. Plug in, power up, ready to work or play instantly. Stream 4K videos or surf the web with zero hassle. Connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, fast and stable. Hook up your monitor, projector, keyboard, and more. Cool fan keeps things quiet and running smoothly. Perfect for business, home, or classroom setups. Ready for a smarter, cleaner, faster workspace? Check out the KAMRUI Essenx E1 Mini PC today. Number 1, GEEKOM A6 Mini PC with AMD Ryzen. Need powerhouse performance in a tiny package? Meet the GEEKOM A6 Mini PC, small but mighty. Perfect for creative studios, home offices, or tight workspaces. This sleek aluminum chassis fits anywhere, just 4x4 1/4 inches. Inside, an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H delivers lightning fast speed, paired with Radeon 680M graphics for smooth visuals and gaming. 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCI 4.0. NVMe SSD, no more lag. Edit videos, code, or multitask effortlessly, even with heavy files. Connect up to 4K displays via USB 4, HDMI, and more. Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 Gbps Ethernet mean ultra-fast, stable networking. Ice Blast 2.0, cooling keeps things cool during intense workloads. Supports Windows 11 Pro, Linux, or Ubuntu. Your workflow, your way. Certified safe, energy efficient, and backed by a 3-year warranty. Upgrade your workspace, compact power, endless possibilities. Get genuine GEEKOM A6 only from Amazon or official website. Ready to level up? Click now and transform your productivity. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.